Time to talk winners and losers on Wall Street. Financial expert Rob Black joining us once again to help us understand all the red that we're seeing across the board this morning, Rob, as I take a look at the markets. Oil above 120. There are a couple headlines I'm excited about, but we'll get to that in a second. What are your first impressions this morning?
Giving back some gains. 2021 was the year of 70 new highs on the S&P 500. 2022 looks like it's going to be a problem year dealing with inflation all 12 months. We're not going to get reprieves on that till 2023, so that's going to stick around. $114 oil is the issue today. Keep in mind we went from 80 to 100 to 125. Things got wrecked in January and February. And then as we pulled back to under 100, things went well again. So it seems like the price of oil is the thermostat or the temperature of Wall Street right now. Some stories you may be excited about. Tesla has planted a flag in Berlin.
They just did their
opening up
big
a new factory that's going to service 450,000 new cars a year.
Delivering to their first customers yesterday. I saw clips of that online with Elon giving a speech saying this is the beginning, just the beginning for Europe. They're making big moves.
They're really doing well with some of their plans on production. It's a 10-year plan. It's playing out intelligently in front of us. Next up will be a gigafactory battery plant in Austin later this year. So they're rolling out. Companies like Lucid and Rivian who are trying to catch them, they don't have the factories that Tesla has. Another story that may interest you is Mackenzie Scott's giving $436 million. Her biggest contribution to charity so far for the Habitat for Humanity. I like that story.
Absolutely, yeah. We need more housing on that. And then a union fight coming to Starbucks. Touch on that quickly before we move on.
Their old CEO left because I don't think he was handling it right. And they bring back Howard Schultz for the third time into the company. It's going to be an issue. It's going to continue to happen. It's now in 7 or 9 stores and continues to expect it to happen. Unfortunately, what I feel bad for is as we unionize Starbucks, we'll probably see the barista go bye-bye and the barista will be replaced by robots. But that's the story, you know. It's sometimes don't be careful what you wish for is my thought. Police unions, police unions, firefighter unions, teacher unions. I get coffee baristas. I don't get quite as much other than the low cost pay that they get.
Well, it's interesting you bring up, you know, how they could be replaced with automation because we're kind of seeing that on the roads too with like taxi cab drivers, for instance, because this next story, Waymo, I guess they got the green light to start offering now their driverless robotaxi service as well in San Francisco, right?
A friend of mine is a tech journalist, and he highlighted getting into a robotaxi in Phoenix and going to a Whole Foods, and he said it was pretty frightening in the parking lots, but okay on the streets.
Really?
But robotaxis are coming to San Francisco now for real. In the last year, we've done over 10,000 robotaxi rides in Waymo's Jaguars. They're electric vehicles. They're cool-looking cars, but there was always a safety driver. Now they've gotten permission to remove that safety driver. I fear there's going to be a worst-case scenario one day on Cron where a homeless person or something bad happens with a Waymo taxi, but we'll deal with that when it comes. So now it's real, James. This year, you and I can get in a car blitzed out of our face and have our taxi take us home. I think that's awesome. Next step will be all across the United States. Next step after that will be changing the taxis to look kind of weird looking, so we know that there's no drivers in them, no driving, no steering wheel, things like that. But
yeah, they're going to have to
robotaxis are happening, and again, taxi cab drivers out of a job.
The whole form factor is going to change. No longer will it be like that standard, well, like the Jaguar I-Pace they have now. It'll be something more, I think, like a little minivan. I'm not quite sure, but they'll have to come up with something. And then lastly, before we run out of time, I'm fascinated with this story because I'm curious what it's going to do going forward. We reported that AMC, the movie theater chain, back before the Batman debuted, that they were going to adjust their pricing and charge you more for the premiere weekend viewing, and then they'll take the price down for the weeks that followed. Any results on that? I guess we got some numbers in.
Surge pricing has always been fascinated by Wall Street. Like Coca-Cola on a hot day should be more expensive than on a cold wintry day. Same thing with movies. Opening day weekends should cost more. If it's a big ticket movie like Batman, where there's lines, where there's demand, where we want to see the IMAX, where we want the premium shares. And they raised prices between $1 and $1.50, AMC did, and it worked. Movies are still the cheapest form of entertainment. I took my kids and dropped them off with their best friends at Uncharted this weekend. They loved it. Just as good as going to a Sharks or a Warriors game. They don't care. It's great entertainment for a relatively low price. Another $1.50 isn't bad. We're doing that with Netflix. It's a little bit of inflation. Longer term, movie theaters need to be careful because they make more money on popcorn from seniors and kids and matinees. So it's a little bit of an issue, but they're doing it well, and I hats off to them for the big movies. I say, hear ye, yay!
Okay, I think maybe they do need to do like premium seating pricing, where they charge a little more for the center seats, and then it tapers off as you go out to the edges. Then they could charge that.
You're talking crazy now, James.
Beyond just the opening week. I'm just saying. All right, Rob, thank you as always. Again, you can reach out to Rob. Let him know what you want him to talk about during these segments. Send him a quick note on Facebook or Twitter, or just email him directly, rob@robblack.com. Thank you, Rob.